2013 Toyota Highlander V6. It's a good friend of mine. He brought it in. He wanted a muffler delete. We said, okay, we'll do that for you. There's the cats there and there. Third cat right there. Then we did a muffler delete right there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these boys and girls. And then we left the resonator on. We're going to see how loud it is. If it's not loud enough, we might pull it back up and cut that off too. He's got a little family, so he didn't want it too loud. There's the muffler right there that we cut off. So, like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button. Because my boys tell me you got to hit that notification button. What do you think? You want louder? That's sound decibels. Again? Again? It's right at 98. Usually like loud is about 110, 115. You want it louder? I'll make it louder. Again? What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Go ahead. Back it out or no? You want louder? No? Leave it for now? Toyota Highlander. What do you guys think? Let us know. Does it sound good or does it need to be louder? I need to know. I think it needs to be louder, but he likes it, so let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Highlander. Nice. Don't sound too bad at all.